Yeah, ES is probably going to hit London High before NQ. There it is. So the interesting thing about this is how we have -1 here. And if we have an SMT and we start rejecting on both, then we're not going to hit London High on NQ. It's going to be because of that SMT. Only if we get like a bearish 30-second OB here will it become useful. So I'm actually going to short this. Yeah. So we got a bearish OB on the 30-second. Trying to short off the SMT and stop at the high at 616. And the only reason why I'm trying this, because even though I know we have London High above, is because we stopped right at -1 with the bearish SMT. And it fails instantly. We get an OB here, I'm trying it because it's going to become a new leg. So we got a 30-second OB. My entry is basically on the edge of this 5-minute gap. Got like one of those 50-50 OBs on the 1 minute though. Tagged in, stop's going to be at the equal low. I don't like how we're stalling here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move stop to break even here because it's already not really what I want to see. And if this is real, we should get another OB and just keep going from here anyways. I'm trying to save myself from taking unnecessary loss. So I did get break even. It could still work, but I know what a winning play looks like, and especially given from where we're at, the idea is that this should become a new manipulation leg pretty quick. And the fact that we got that 50-50 OB on the 1 minute and we're kind of stalling on the 30-second to actually get it, it's not that great to me. So I'm okay with getting break even there. We can just re-enter if we come back for the equal lows. So we just took out the equal lows. This is where we could get a pretty nice bounce. So yeah, this is exactly what I'd like to see actually, an OB. I will try this one on the screen. 12-point stop on this. We got the OB. My entry is at 658.25. We're tagged in. 12-point stop. Stop is at 645. Since we're dipping down, unfortunately, we might just have to sweep out this low, then that may become a soup and we bounce still off the rejection block. But I'm not interested in holding. So we did just hit that low. Once again, it could be a soup, but I'm still happy with how that trade went. I'm still trying to protect myself in case of a stop run. 7 points away from the high. And then we're coming crashing down. Looks like all the way back to the entry. It doesn't matter where you get in, you're going to get stopped break even. That's insane. Actually, that's an SMT right there. ES never hit that low. The last one down here that NQ has. Let's see if we get one massive, massive pump. One last push for previous day high here, because now it's possible. So what I want to see here, if we're truly bullish, is I need to see us violate this in a hurry. We need to break through this gap in a hurry. The reason why it needs to be in a hurry is because this should be trying to make a manipulation leg. And remember, quick down move, quick up move. That's what we need to see. It needs to be quick. This is where you can get away with an inverse play. The key here is you want to get in before we hit the bearish 5-minute above. That's bottom line. So I'm actually going to try this one right now because we're inside the gap. So I'm in one, basically a market order. We should at least get to a break-even target, at least, resweeping the high. But it is a pretty wide stop. It's about a 20-point stop on this. I'm just thinking we should at least get a free trade here at the very bare minimum. I'm debating on whether or not I should hold or sell here. You know what? I'll do it based off the reaction. So first candle, what I need to see is to close above. If you can't close above, I'm going to exit the trade. I will trail my stop here to this low at 76 because that's already 1-to-1 locked in. 2 seconds, no close, I'm out. Wow, that was crazy. That was crazy. Hopefully you could have got out before because the fill was kind of bad there as we came right back down. But you can see what happens. We swept the high and we didn't keep going. I'm comfortable with that.